Hey guys, I just want to show you my Lalove electric tea kettle. I love the matte black finish on the outside and the gooseneck over here. So let me just show you all the parts. It's got just the base right there and then the kettle, so super minimal. It just goes on easily like that. And then inside is actually stainless steel, so I like that feature. It's got a max fill line, so you just don't want to fill it above that line. And then you just put the cap back on and you press this button down like there, and it will start to boil. So once it boils, it'll automatically shut off, which is really nice. And then it's got this handle over here, so it makes it super easy to grip. If you were doing like a pour over coffee, this would be really nice to have, but it also just works great for tea. It's got this nice spout that just is a slow, gradual pour.